Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java at home. Start by setting up your development environment. This involves installing the Java Development Kit, or JDK, on your computer. Then, choose an integrated development environment, like IntelliJ IDEA, to write and manage your code. This initial setup is crucial for beginning your Java programming journey effectively. Next, focus on Java's core concepts. You'll learn about variables, data types, and operators, which are the fundamental building blocks of any program. Then, explore control flow statements, such as loops and conditionals, to manage program execution. Finally, dive into object-oriented programming principles, which are essential for building robust Java applications. Consistent practice is absolutely key to mastering Java. Start by solving coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode to sharpen your problem-solving skills. Then, build small personal projects, such as a calculator or a simple game, to apply what you've learned. For more advanced experience, consider contributing to open-source projects. Once you've mastered the fundamentals, it's time to expand your Java skills. Explore advanced topics such as multithreading, networking, and database integration. Leverage online tutorials, official documentation, and developer forums for continuous learning and support. Finally, consider pursuing industry certifications to validate your expertise and boost your career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.